Hello, and welcome to the tutorial for Effective Goal Setting, Harnessing the Power of Self-Monitoring. I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for improving your mental health. In this tutorial, we will explore the process of effective goal setting and how it can be a powerful tool for self-monitoring. By setting goals, we can gain direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose in our lives. Goal setting requires self-awareness, focus, and understanding oneself. Goals are an essential aspect of personal and professional development. They provide direction, motivation, and a sense of purpose to our lives. However, setting goals is not always easy. It requires self-awareness, focus, and a deep understanding of oneself. To start, let's focus on three different aspects that highly impact the goal-setting behavior. One important psychological factor that impacts goal setting is our mindset. A fixed mindset, where we believe our abilities and intelligence are set in stone, can lead to self-limiting beliefs and a lack of motivation. On the other hand, a growth mindset, where we believe we can develop our abilities and intelligence through effort and persistence, can lead to greater resilience and achievement. Another factor is the role of emotions in goal setting. Emotions can influence our motivation, focus, and decision-making. Positive emotions like enthusiasm and excitement can fuel our efforts towards achieving our goals, while negative emotions like fear and anxiety can hold us back. By understanding our emotional triggers and learning to regulate them, we can increase our chances of success. Lastly, the power of visualization and self-talk cannot be underestimated when it comes to goal setting. By visualizing our desired outcomes and affirming our capabilities through positive self-talk, we can create a sense of belief and confidence that can propel us towards our goals. So, now that you know about these factors, the main question arises that how can we apply and practice this effective tool of goal setting? Well, let's quickly have a look at the steps of effective goal setting as a tool and learn how to harness its power through a step-to-step guide. Step 1. Develop a growth mindset. A growth mindset is crucial for effective goal setting. Embrace the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort and persistence. This mindset enables resilience and achievement. For example, when faced with a challenging project, approach it with enthusiasm, thinking, "This project will push me to learn new skills and grow professionally. I'll tackle it step by step and seek guidance when needed." Step 2. Make specific and meaningful goals. Set goals that are both specific and meaningful to you. Specific goals provide clarity and focus, while meaningful goals push you out of your comfort zone. For instance, instead of a general goal like "I will practice meditation," make it specific and meaningful. "I want to improve my mental and emotional well-being by establishing a daily meditation practice that helps me reduce stress and increase mindfulness." Step 3. Use feedback to track progress. Feedback is essential for tracking progress and making necessary adjustments. Seek feedback from trusted individuals such as parents, teachers, siblings, friends, or seniors. Create a daily checklist of tasks related to your goal and check them off as you complete them. This helps maintain focus and motivation. Additionally, consider creating a visual representation or vision board of your progress, such as a graph or chart, to visualize how far you've come and what's left to achieve. The very final step. Step 4. Practice positive self-talk and affirmations. Positive self-talk and affirmations are powerful tools for effective goal setting. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief in your capabilities and stay motivated. Here are some examples. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am taking action towards my goals every day. I am open to learning and growing as I pursue my goals. I am committed to my goals and will not give up. I am grateful for the progress I have made and look forward to the next day. Repeat these affirmations daily, ideally in the morning or before bed, or whenever you need a boost of motivation. With consistent practice, you can reprogram your mindset to support your goals and make them more achievable. Goal setting is an ongoing process of reflection, learning, and adjustment. By understanding the psychology behind goal setting and following these steps, you can create a roadmap to success that is fulfilling and achievable. Consistently track your progress, adjust your actions as needed, and maintain motivation and focus. Remember that goal setting is not a one-time event but a continuous journey toward personal growth and development. With this tutorial, you now have the tool to effectively set goals and harness the power of self-monitoring. Best of luck in all your endeavors and thank you for your time. Take care.